Welcome to Hawkeye. Here I'm going to show you how to invite a new driver to your fleet. Simply click on People, Add New Member, type in the name, email address, make sure you're on Driver, auto-generate a password for him if you wish, and then send the invite. He will then show up in the driver's list. If there's some issue and he doesn't get the email or he can't open his email, you simply would tell him to use his email as the username or the user ID you give him as the username. And then you can reset over here, reset his password, type in the new passwords, confirm it and change, and then just give it to him. Once the driver installs the app from the Play Store or from the Apple Store, he simply enters that ID. Let's pick somebody here. Let's go John Doe 8265. 8265. And then he would simply sign into his app. It's importing his logs. So this is the driver's interface. The accounts here, if you're running Teams, you simply would sign in the same way another driver, and then he would simply switch between the two drivers. His logs are up here, goes on to on duty, pre-trip, his vehicle. If he has an inspection to do, he simply goes truck or trailer, whatever he's pulling, adds the defect. Is it safe to drive? Yes. And in that will update his logs. When he gets it repaired, if he's on the road, simply, yes, it's been repaired. Type in who repaired it if there's an invoice and sign it. And that will update his logs as well. His driver logs are here. If he has a co-driver, if he signs it, sorry, it's difficult to sign with a mouse. If he needs to show an inspector, this inspector mode, everything shows up from the ELD. So if he's plugged into the ECM for the new mandate, it'll give closest location to where he's at. And then he would finish his pre-trip and he's back on duty. It will auto, according to the mandate, auto go to drive or back to on duty, depending if he's moving or not. You got your dispatches that come in here, and we'll go over that in the next segment. You pick your driving rules from here. You just scroll them, the same as the cycles, and then you'd hit OK.